We're gonna give it a try. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to a bowl and a 1/4 cup or about 4 ounces of imitation crab. Finely chop some green onions or scallions, and you're going to mix that around really well in the bowl and make sure you break up all the little pieces of crab as well. Once that's mixed together really well, you're going to take a heaping teaspoon of the filling and add it to each of your wonton wrappers. Now you're not going to want to put all your wonton wrappers out because they will dry out. So do small batches. Depending on how fast you are, you could do about 6 to 12 at a time. Take a little bit of water on the tip of your finger and you're going to use it to get all the edges wet of the wontons. One at a time, you're going to fold opposite corners and pinch them together, and then fold up another corner and then cinch the sides closed to seal it. And then go ahead and repeat it on the other side, folding the corner up and cinching it closed. Once you've finished enough crab rangoon to fill your air fryer basket, or just as many as you'd like, you're going to go ahead and put oil on them. So you can use a little brush and oil, or I like to use this little sprayer. It does a pretty good job of coating the oil on evenly. Add them to your air fryer when it has preheated to 350 degrees, and you're going to go ahead and cook them between 5 and 7 minutes, keeping an eye on them so that they don't burn. At about 2 minutes, you can add a little bit more oil if you'd like. This is optional, but I find that the wontons do absorb a lot of the oil that you put on at the very beginning, and this just helps it to be a little bit more like the fried version. All right, look at this. It looks so good, nice and crispy. We're gonna give it a try. You can definitely hear how crispy the outside is. The inside is still soft and creamy and delicious. It's nice and warm and melty. It's so easy to make, and in your air fryer, it makes it even easier and faster. Hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos and the rest of my recipes at timeforthetable.com.